YouTube, Mark Kaufman here, and we are continuing right off from the last video from this one, and I have yet to title that one. It's probably going to be sharpening on a Washita number 134 from Buck. This is going to be the hard Arkansas stone segment. I've never sharpened on a hard Arkansas. I have this blade here. I am keeping it the same sharpness from when I sharpened it on the Washita, which was literally seconds ago. And I'm going to see what I think of a hard arc. I have never sharpened on a hard Arkansas stone before. So I don't really know how this is going to respond. A soft Arkansas stone is actually a stone that I keep in my watchmaking desk, and it's a small, I think 3 by 1 inch stone, and it is something that I keep and I sharpen a majority of my knives on. I sharpen a lot of my knives on that, and usually what I do is I kind of hold it here and I just pass, and then it is sharpened and ready to go. I know this looks like the way Grandpa probably did and just did that, but I'm actually holding it, passing it, holding it, passing it, and being very careful and precise. So let's see what I think of a hard arc. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, either I did a really good job on lapping this thing, or this is how these feel. But it almost feels like a fine Spyderco ceramic sharpening stone. Wow. I'm trying to be very careful here because this feels like I am sharpening on a piece of glass. It feels like I am sharpening on a marble countertop that has no imperfections in it. Like if you take a penny and you run it across your marble countertop, you'll feel divots and dents where the quartz has not fulfilled the segments in the stone or has chipped out. And this feels like that, but no imperfections. And I am just doing a sliding technique. I'm just starting up at the top, sliding down, and then just meeting at the tip here. Let me see what I can do here so you can see this a little bit better. So all I'm really doing is I'm just starting up here, sliding down, and then meeting at the bottom. But I'm being very careful because one of the things that I've heard that is key on these is when you sharpen on a very fine stone and you have your angle correct, it is like sharpening on a piece of glass. Like that's how it should feel. You should have no resistance. You should have, okay, I have raised a very small burr. Just gonna move the oil around here just a little bit. Don't need a lot. Let's see. Find my angle. Now, one YouTuber that I love watching do videos of sharpening because he's just no nonsense is Patty Potato Peelers. He is just no nonsense. You just grab a stone and he has a very simple way of sharpening it, and it's usually something like this. Now, in my past video of the Washita stone, I mentioned Stephen Wolf on YouTube. It's been a while since he's posted a video, but his sharpening skills are superb. And Neves Knives, his videos are fantastic. He's also got some amazing stones. I either trying to find mine on a garage sale, or I buy the cheap set of Arkansas stones off of eBay, and those usually do fine. Now, only reason I'm speaking so softly here is because I'm just trying to be very careful. I'm just being very careful here because this stone is not giving me any resistance. And it's just so, it's just really smooth. Let's see. It's just really, really a smooth stone. Wow, okay. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I think that's going to be it. Let's see what part of my arm has some hair on it still. Let's see. Let's see here. I can get that hair off of here. Ooh. Yeah, wow, okay. So yeah, we've got a very sharp knife here. Let's see here if I've got a good section of paper. I really do not. But you can see that, yes, it's very sharp. I am quite sure that if I stropped this even just a couple times, do I have a piece of, let me see if I've got a piece of leather here. Let's see if this will work. Let's see. Let's just pass it a few times here. And a few times there. A few times once more. And then one thing I learned from A.G. Russell, he has a video on YouTube of sharpening stones, but he said when he was, I think he was in the Navy, he would use his palm as a strop because they couldn't always have a strop on them. So just a few passes on my palm. And that there is a very sharp knife. So yeah, this is very interesting. I've never used one of these before, but I really do like it. I think I will probably be trying to find a few more of those, but you can see the finish on that. A little bit of rust spot there, but I tried to do a good job on the finishing there. But boy, I'm really happy with that. So yeah, we've got a sharp Victorinox Pocket Pal. So there you go. Those are 2 sharpening videos for you. If you guys like these sharpening videos, let me know, and I'll try and figure out how I can get more coming your way. So that is it. That was the Buck Knives Arkansas stone and Buck Knives Washita stone. The hard Arkansas was the white, and in the past video behind this one, that is the Washita. So I think you guys will enjoy the hard arc if you are a freehand sharpener. The Washita is and that's something different. It's interesting. It's something that I've just a lot to say about that one. But yeah, I'm babbling and waffling on at this point, so I will let you guys go. So till the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.